describe type of data are you going to hold in a variable. So here data is nothing but a value like number, decimal number, character or string. To hold these values, Python provides dynamic data types, which means at runtime Python virtual machine can decide so based on our variable value. So basically in our Python we have a two types of data types, sir. The first one is what a fundamental data types, and we can call what a primitive also. What we call primitive data types. Primitive data types. But most of the time we are calling what a fundamental data types only. And next one, collection data types. And according to our previous programming language, this is called a non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types. Clear? So what is the first one, sir? Tell me. Primitive, or we can call non-primitive. So according to Python, what we call, this is nothing but a fundamental data types. And second is what? A collection data types, right? Basically we have only two types of data types in our Python. What is the first one? Fundamental. And the second one is what? A collection data types. Is it clear now, please? Hello guys, is it clear now up now?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Clear, sir.
Right. And now I'm talking about first one, sir. Fundamental data types. Let us see what is the fundamental data types. Please understand which variable can hold a single value. Again, I'm repeating. Suppose just I declare one variable like this. Roll number is there. Roll number is my variable, and in this roll number I am going to hold only single value. Single value. So that kind of variable, what we call, that is nothing but a fundamental data types. So which variable can hold a single value? So that kind of data type is nothing but a fundamental data types. Again I am repeating, which variable can hold a single value. So that kind of data type is nothing but a fundamental data types. So please, these are the primitive types. Then how many primitive types we have? Basically in Python we have only 5 types of fundamental data types. Very important. So if you go with C programming language and CPP Java, there we are going to using in CPP we have 15 types. And if you go with Java programming language, there we are going to representing what 8 data types. But in our Python we have only 5. We have only 5. Please understand. And in that, the first one is what? Integer data type. And second one is float. And third one is complex. And fourth one is string. And the fifth one is what? Boolean. We are not using Boolean. Here you can use bull. So these are the 5 types of data types what we are using in our Python programming language. Clear, please? Up to now clear, please? Okay. And here you can see, guys, suppose a variable can hold a single value. Such kind of variable is known as a fundamental data types. Fundamental data types. So by using these data types, we can hold single value only. Single value only. So that kind of data, what we call what? Fundamental type. And now I'm talking about first one, integer. What is the use of integer, sir? See, and the integer data type always can hold a pure numbers. So if you want to declare only pure numbers like 10 value and 50 value, if you declare 7,000 value, okay, if you want to represent this kind of value, then go with integer data type. Integer data type. And already we explained, okay, again I am repeating. And in our Python programming language, integer can represent how many ways, sir? 4 ways. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
4
sir.
ways. This is what very important. What is the first way? Tell me. By using binary value. By using binary value. And what is the second way? Tell me.
Decimal.
By using decimal values.
Hexadecimal.
And the third one is
Octal.
by using octal number.
Octal.
And what is that? D and
Hexadecimal.
right. So by using hexadecimal number.
Hexadecimal.
Yeah. So in 4 ways we can represent our integer number into our Python, right? So just see, I will show you one example you can easily understood. Okay. Okay, here I am taking one variable, what roll number is equal to 100, right? Observe here, once you declare variable like this, okay, here roll number is a variable and 100 is nothing but a value. Which type of value? It is a number type. Manually we can easily understood, but if you know where the roll number is int or not, what we will do here, you can use a
Class.
type function. Okay, how we can know? By
Roll number.
using type function. So here type function is used for to know the data type of given variable value. Okay, once hit enter button, what happens, sir? So our roll number variable is what? Which type? It is a integer type. And here 100 is what? It is exactly value. It is a pure number, right? So like this, we are going to what? Returning data type of our given variable value, right? And next point, sir. And this is what we represented integer value by using decimal number, and we can represent integer value by using binary value also. Let us say b is equal to, okay, then take 0 and uppercase b and 1010. This is what a binary value. And let us see, if you print here b, definitely it can return integer number only 21. So we are representing integer number by using binary value. Next is what? By using octal, right? See, t is equal to and 0 o and 1 2 3 4 5 like that. This is what octal number, right? And if you know type of t, definitely it is a integer type. Now I am going to here printing t value. What is this? It is a integer value, so we can represent it is a value by using octal number also. The next one, we can represent its value. Third one is what, sir? By using hexadecimal number. So h is equal to and 0 and use x. I am using what, sir? What 1 2 3, and I am using something a b value also. This is what hexadecimal number representation. Now if you type print here, type h, definitely it is a integer type. And if you print what h, a value is what? Integer type. So these are the what representation of our integer value. Clear? Hello guys, is it clear now? Please.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. And the next one, and what is the definition?